Organizing effectively is a key skill that can enhance productivity, reduce stress, and contribute to overall success in various aspects of life. The first step in organizing is setting clear goals. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's in your personal or professional life. Having a clear understanding of your objectives allows you to prioritize tasks and allocate resources efficiently. Once you've established your goals, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This not only makes the overall objective more achievable but also provides a roadmap for your progress. Creating a to-do list or a project plan can help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and milestones. Consider using tools like calendars, planners, or project management apps to stay organized and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Effective time management is a crucial aspect of organization. Prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, and allocate specific time slots for each activity. Avoid multitasking, as it can lead to decreased efficiency and increased stress. Setting boundaries and learning to say no to non-essential commitments can also help you manage your time more effectively. Finally, create a conducive physical and digital environment. A clutter-free space promotes focus and reduces distractions, allowing you to work more efficiently. Organize your digital files, emails, and documents in a systematic manner to easily locate information when needed. Regularly review and update your organizational systems to adapt to changing priorities and ensure sustained effectiveness over time. Overall, a thoughtful and systematic approach to organization can lead to improved efficiency, reduced stress, and increased overall well-being. Organization and time management does take a little time to turn into a habit, but stick with it. As time goes on, it will get easier and easier. You will see yourself accomplishing much more in a short time. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.